TRU motto, when translated from Sowetmixteen, means to strive ahead. Not to walk ahead, not to go back, but to strive with purpose, with persistence, and with one another. I believe TRU is already moving forward, and having had conversations, reconnecting and connecting, I know many of you here believe that too. Together we can shape a future TRU that is a national leader in world-class applied education and research, deeply engaged in solving the challenges of interior BC and contributing value to national and global futures. Together we can shape a future TRU where vocational and academic education are unified. A university that is both academically excellent and accessible, and is financially sustainable for decades to come. Our future TRU that we create together is distinct, proudly outside the generic patterns and practices of higher education. And finally, our future TRU is one university, focused, courageous, and exceptional. There is quite a journey ahead, and we won't always have easy answers, but we do have each other, and we will figure it out. Strong, brave, and caring, that is how we at Thompson Rivers University strive ahead. And that is why I'm here with you, inspired by this place, inspired by the people, and ready for this next era for Thompson Rivers University. Thank you, everyone. Kukshatam.